That could be anything. That could be.
First, I'm getting the clips like this. I search Shut Down Lisa Twixter to get slow-mo with a nice quality clip, then screen record it with highest resolution. When I'm done screen recording the whole video, I'm gonna do it again but with other Blackpink members' clip. After screen recording other members' clip, go to Capcut, then add it as a new project. Set the format to 2.35 to 1. Get a clip with 7.5 seconds duration. If it's shorter, adjust its speed slower so it will be longer. Then export it, then go back to get another clip with 1.0 second. Export it, then do everything we did to other members' clip. Now add new project, go to stock videos, then add plain black. Adjust the format to 3 to 4, then adjust the duration to 7.5 seconds. Now add the clip we made earlier as an overlay. We need to make it more thinner, so crop it. Add audio so we have a pattern in adding clips.
That could be anything.
Go to Match Cut and add beat like what I'm doing.
That could be anything.
On the first beat, add another overlay. Add overlay in every beat until we complete the members. Add to keyframes. At the first keyframe, hide the clip to the left. Then add graph, ease out 2 or ease out 3. Do the same in other members. Clip. Hide to the right. Hide to the left. Hide to right. Export it, then add new project. Add plain black from stock videos. Set format to 3 to 4, then adjust duration to 1.0 second. Add the 4 overlay. Export this, then add new project. Add the 2 clips we export earlier. Let's change the duration of second clip cause we're gonna add transition. It must be 1.3 second. Now add transition, effect, split 2. Let's set aside this project and add new project. So you need to ready 8 clips on each members. Add 1 clip first. The clip must be at least 0.6 to 1.0 second. Add effects, slanted blur. Copy it 3 times, then adjust their blur to 75, 50, and 25 in every another copy of the effect. Export it, then replace it with another clip. Export it, then repeat the process until you finish all clips that we need. Go to our main clip, then add all clips, then adjust it to 0.4 second or 0.5 second. For the last member, we only need 6 clips. Add animation, out, fade out for the last clip. Add audio.
I could be anything, I could be everything.
Add animation, combo, sway in on the second clip. Now add text. Just follow what I'm doing.